Welcome to Mindzita, Tech Simplified, Dreams Amplified. In this video, I'll show you how to make all 404 pages redirect to the homepage in your WordPress website. Let's begin. Before we start, let's check if your website is currently showing a 404 error. Just go to your browser and type your website URL followed by 404, like this, yourwebsite.com/404. If you see a page not found or 404 error message, then your website is not redirecting 404 pages. First, go to your WordPress dashboard. Go to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type all 404 redirect to homepage. Install the plugin, and then activate it. Now set it up. Go to All 404 Redirect to Homepage plugin settings. Set the following options. Enabled redirect. Yes. Redirect. To homepage URL already filled. Redirect type P300S permanent. Redirect. Click Update Options. Done. Not all 404 pages will redirect to your home page. Now let's test it again. In your browser, type yourwebsite.com/404. If everything is set correctly, instead of showing an error, it will take you directly to your home page. And that's it. If you run into any issues to make all 404 redirect to homepage, contact us at info@mindzita.com or call us at 305-434-4698. At Mindzita, we offer affordable services and resolve any problem within 24 hours. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more tech tips.